In the midst of chaos, he emerged, a man driven by courage and conviction. Winston Churchill, the indomitable British Prime Minister, stood before a nation on the brink of despair. His powerful speeches rallied the spirits of millions, igniting a flame of hope in the darkest days of World War II. Churchill was not alone in this fight. He was surrounded by brave soldiers, resilient civilians, and strategic allies, each playing a vital role in the quest for freedom. Their unwavering spirit became a symbol of defiance against tyranny, showcasing the profound qualities of bravery and unity. The turning point came on D-Day, June 6, 1944, when Allied forces stormed the beaches of Normandy. The air was thick with tension and uncertainty as thousands fought for liberation. This monumental event reshaped the course of history, proving that courage in the face of adversity can change the world. As the war drew to a close, the reflections of those who fought echoed loudly. The sacrifices made not only liberated nations, but also forged new alliances and set the stage for a transformed world. The legacy of these legends teaches us the importance of standing together against oppression. Today, the legends of World War II continue to resonate. They remind us of the power of resilience, courage, and unity in the face of overwhelming odds. As we navigate our own challenges, we carry forward their legacy, inspired to fight for a better world.